The business, man. Let me go ahead and get in here real quick before market open and talk about ticker symbol PROG, Progenity. Currently trade around $2.40 or something like that. We up like 68% on the week, 142% on the month, and we down like 74% for the year. So this morning around 7:30 a.m., PROG came out and released that they got like several patent agreements or something like that. And the stock basically took off and rocketed from there. We got to that 237, 238 resistance slash support from yesterday, which we're currently treating as a form of support. So the levels that I'm particularly looking for throughout the day is maintain over $2.20, really maintain over $2.30, and try to break over $2.50, $2.48, I believe. If we get over 250 basically and treat 250 as a form of support, PROG, to me, in my opinion, such as thus far before the offering, is looking very, very, very good. Part of me a little upset about getting rid of some of them shares I got rid of yesterday, paper handling like a little wussy. But at the end of the day, I'm still holding the 500 long term, which makes me feel good with this news coming out that I went with my gut and my intuition and held on to these shares as a quote-unquote long-term play because my dollar cost average was so low. So again, let's see how this plays out. Inflation data just came out. It wasn't too bad. We got the Fed speaking later on today as well. But I don't think that really is going to concern PROG too much, in my opinion, because of the strong sentiment from retail traders wanting to be in on this play from the fear of missing out, on top of the good news, on top of it still having some high short interest and whatnot, and the cost to borrow fee last I checked was about 80, over 80%. So let's see how this goes throughout the day.